Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a car enthusiast, a DIY mechanic, or just want to stop paying big bucks for simple diagnostics, today's video is for you. We're checking out the MUCAR VO8 OBD2 Scanner, a powerful tool that could change the way you maintain your car. Okay, never waste your time. Let's talk about feature. Enhanced hardware configuration with Android 8.0, 8-inch bigger screen, bigger 2 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM, 9,450 mAh rechargeable battery and adjustable kickstand. Faster transmission rate with Wi-Fi and 8MP rear camera for easy VIN identification. 34+ advanced repairs and maintenance designed for mechanics and workshops. It offers 34+ professional reset service functions like Perform KY programming, Gear, SAS, EPB, TPMS, IMMO, BMS, ETS, Oil, Brake, AFS, Gearbox, Sunroof, SUS Reset, ABS Bleed, Injector Coating, and more. Get dealership-level relearn procedures for repairs. Provides accurate and in-depth results across all automotive systems with dealership-level full system diagnostic tasks. Retrieve codes, read ECU information, view live data, and perform active tests to check module work status. The OBD2 scanner is a bidirectional scanner that quickly and accurately pinpoints fault causes by requesting information from a vehicle's ECU or sending commands to perform specific tests and functions. Preferred by car repair shop owners, professional mechanics, and advanced DIYers. The scan tool supports a 1300W pixel camera to automatically identify vehicle information with auto VIN and starts auto diagnose process. And it works on most OBDI-compliant vehicles worldwide in US, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia for 12V cars, SUV, light truck, hybrids, and even roadster. Automatically generate diagnostic report for further analysis. Pros: full system diagnostics, bidirectional control, active tests, 34+ reset and maintenance functions, Wi-Fi updates, wide vehicle compatibility. Cons: limited key programming, some advanced features may be locked. So, who is the MUCAR VO8 for? If you're a weekend warrior, an entry-level mechanic, or just want to stop guessing when your check engine light comes on, this is a fantastic investment. All in all, the MUCAR VO8 punches way above its weight class. It's fast, accurate, and packed with features that'll save you time and money. If you want to check it out, I've got a link in the description below. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've used the VO8 or have another tool you love.